Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Signing a car title to transfer ownership is a critical legal step that ensures the vehicle legally changes hands and prevents future problems. Knowing exactly where to sign can save you time and hassle, making the process smooth for both the buyer and the seller. First, you need to locate the seller's signature section on the title. This is usually found on the back of the document. Look for clear labels such as seller, transferor, or previous owner. There will be a specific line or box designated for the current owner to sign their legal name exactly as it appears on the title. Next, the buyer also needs to sign to accept ownership of the vehicle. Find the buyer, transferee, or new owner section. This might be located right next to the seller's signature or in a separate area of the title. The new owner must sign here to complete their part of the transfer. It's crucial not to overlook the odometer disclosure statement, which is a legal requirement in most states. Most titles have a dedicated section where the seller must accurately record the vehicle's current mileage at the time of sale. Both the buyer and seller often sign this section to acknowledge the mileage reading. You will also need to fill in the exact date of sale. There is typically a specific line or box for this information, and the date is essential for registration, tax purposes, and establishing the legal transfer timeline. Be sure to fill it in clearly and accurately. Additionally, some titles require printed names and addresses for both the buyer and seller in separate fields, so always read all instructions on your specific title carefully and fill out any sections labeled print name or address. A very important step in many states is notarization, which means a public notary must witness the signatures of both the buyer and seller. The notary will then stamp and sign the title to verify the identities of the signers. You must check your state's Department of Motor Vehicles (DMV) website or contact them directly to confirm if notarization is required where you live, as skipping this step can invalidate the entire transfer. If there was a lien on the vehicle, meaning a bank or financial institution held the title because of a loan, they must release their interest. Look for a lien release section on the title. The lien holder will sign or stamp this part to confirm the loan has been paid off. Without this official release, the title cannot be fully transferred to the new owner. It is absolutely vital to avoid making any mistakes, such as erasures or using whiteout, as any alterations can void the title and require you to apply for a costly and time-consuming duplicate title. Always take your time and be careful when filling out the information. Furthermore, never leave any important sections blank. Ensure all required fields are filled out completely and legibly, as an incomplete title can lead to significant delays and complications when trying to register the vehicle. Remember, every state's title form can look slightly different, so always read your specific title carefully before signing anything. If you are ever unsure about any section or requirement, it is always best to contact your local DMV or a trusted professional for guidance. Taking a few extra minutes now can prevent major headaches and legal issues later on. Thank you for watching this video on how to properly sign a car title for ownership transfer. We hope this information helps you navigate the process smoothly and with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. We truly appreciate your support.